Well, when it comes to the latest and greatest in tech, one man always has it all. We call him Dr. Frank. I call him a friend. Doc, good to have you here, man.
Lance, always great to be with you.
You go out, you go to these shows, you find the best stuff.
I do.
You brought it here to us.
Always.
What is this here?
This is great. This is by a company called Legrand, and this is their Adorn series, okay? Now, what is it? It's really great products, but the neat thing is the aesthetics.
Yeah.
Okay, the design. Now, watch this. You don't know what it is.
Right.
Right? Okay, I'm going to push it out. Look at that. Isn't that great?
Your outlet's right there.
So your outlet's right there. It's so neat. So if you don't want to see it, you don't want any cord clutter, get rid of it.
I love it. That's so modern.
$39.95. That's it, too.
Love it. Inexpensive as well. Thank you, Dr. Frank.
Joining us on set is Dr. Frank. We call him the gadget guy, and he comes when we have all these great trade shows. And right now, it's all about kitchen and bath at the trade show here in Las Vegas. Can't wait to see what you have for us.
This product is by Legrand, okay, and it's called Adorn, okay? Now, you've seen it nice and clean, right? Now watch what I do. When I push it, it becomes a receptacle. So it's a hidden receptacle. Isn't that sweet?
Yeah, at first it looked like a light switch. When you said door, I thought I don't get it, and then you push that in, and
just push
then
it
you
in.
have all of that.
Right, so therefore the clutter is gone.
Yes,
so if you don't want
have
to
the
see
big
it,
cords and all that stuff associated with it.
Right, and that's by Legrand.
Well, thousands of people are in town for the Kitchen and Bath Show at the Las Vegas Convention Center. And while it's not open to the public, we do have our lovely Dr. Frank joining us again to give us a peek at some of the gadgets we will soon be able to get our hands on. Now, if you want something a little prettier than the ones that you put in for the electrical outlets to keep your kids' fingers from out of it, you can go for something like this, right?
And this is made by a company called Legrand.
Okay.
And this is called Adorn, the Adorn line, right? So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to push that, and I'm going to show our audience, look there's the receptacles, look at that.
And this costs what, 39 bucks?
39 bucks.
Okay.
Available now. And that's what's so cool about it, but look at the quality.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, and it comes in about 25 different colors.
Oh, wow.
So you can match it to your black splash, whatever you got. You can do it anywhere, but it's by a company called Legrand.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Frank. We always love when you come visit.
Well, I love to visit you guys.
All right, well, we'll bring you back again soon.
Sounds great.